It's a certified 2023 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look, and it's easy to see why. Drive it, and you'll know why. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.